Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to control and top up the coolant level of your nice car. This is a Seat Ibiza. An automotive and an internal combustion engine use is such a coolant. Most automotive engines are water-cooled to remove waste head through the water using actually a mixture of water and antifreeze level. So we are going to check now the antifreeze reservoir, and that should be between the minimum and the maximum range. If there is a little bit less than the maximum line, you can top up directly with the good old nice coolant liquid. But you have to take the right coolant liquid. In this case, on this car Seat Ibiza, you will need a G12. Or you are going to use an universal coolant liquid. But take care, if the engine runs before, there's a high pressure in this reservoir. So take a cloth over your hands and open it smooth and gentle to evacuate the pressure. Then you can remove the tab or the cap on it by rotating anti-clockwise until you can reach the internal base to top up the liquid. Water and coolant is used, actually a mixture of water and antifreeze. So if we only top up, we can use antifreeze. If we have to top up a lot of it, you should of course have a troubleshooting first where the leak, for example, is. And then we top up it with the G12 liquid until we reach the max, the max line. Job's done there. Okay? The term engine coolant is widely used in automotive industry, which covers its primary function, converter and heat transfer to internal combustion engines. And the Seat Ibiza used the G12 coolant for that. So do not top up with green or other colored coolant. Use only the G12 or Preston. Preston is a universal kit, of course. And then, of course, we can get the cap onto position, rotate it clockwise, and seal it. Then, of course, we're ready for a new day on the road again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!